Namaste, हमेशा खुश रहो बिटिया. I am JBL Dr. Anamika Aherwal, Associate Professor in the Department of Science and Technology at Jyoti Vidyapeeth, Women's University, Jaipur. Today I am going to take the lecture on the topic Data Discretization and Concept Hierarchy Generation. Data discretization technique can be used to divide the range of continuous attributes into intervals. And numerous continuous attribute values are replaced by small interval labels. So this leads to a concise, easy to use, knowledge level representation of mining results. Now in this first is a top-down discretization. In top-down discretization, if the process starts by first finding one or a few points, and these are called the split points or cut point you can say, to split the entire attribute range and then repeats this recursively on the resulting intervals, then it is called the top-down discretization or splitting. And another is the bottom-up discretization. In this, if the process starts by considering all the continuous values of values at potential split points, remove some by merging neighborhood values to form intervals, then it is called bottom-up discretization or merging. Then this discretization can be performed rapidly on an attribute by providing a hierarchical partitioning of the entire value, and this entire value is known as the concept hierarchy. So now the question is, what is concept hierarchy? This can be used to reduce the data by collecting and replacing low level concept with higher level concept, as I told you in the previous video. And in the multidimensional model, data are organized into multiple dimensions, and each dimension contains multiple levels of abstraction defined by the concept hierarchies. So this organization provides users by the flexibility of new data from different perspectives. So data mining on a reduced data set means fewer input-output operations and is more efficient than mining on a larger data set. Because of these benefits, discretization techniques and concept hierarchies are typically applied before data mining rather than during mining. So the discretization and concept hierarchy generation for numerical data, in this binning, histogram analysis and clustering analysis, these comes into the category of the methods. In the binning, it is a top-down splitting techniques which is based on a specified number of bins. So these binning is an unsupervised discretization technique. Histogram analysis, if we are talking about that, because histogram analysis does because not use class information, so it is an unsupervised discretization technique, and this histogram partition the values of an attribute into disjoint ranges. These are called buckets. The third is the cluster analysis. This cluster analysis is a popular data discretization method. A clustering algorithm can be applied to discrete and numerical attribute of A by partitioning the values of A into cluster or groups. So each initial cluster or partition may be further decomposed into several subcultures, forming a lower level of hierarchy. Okay, so there are some other methods also, like entropy based discretization by intuitive partitioning, and we will discuss later on. Okay, so this is all about today's session, and this session is powered by Digital Version 2.0 Jyoti Vidyapeeth, Women's University, Jaipur. Hope you are satisfied with my digital session. If you have any query, please mention in comment box. I will resolve your issue. Okay, so thank you.